Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Multi-Skilled Electrician. Okay, so today I'm going to continue with street lighting or street light installation. So I'm preparing my street lights before I go on to climb the pole and fix it there. Excuse me. Okay, so these are a couple of things that you will need for your installation. This is the pole or the street lights rod. This a photocell kit. So what this does is it's just a switch, but just that it's such a way that when it senses or it detects darkness, the light will come on by itself, and when it's daytime, the light will go off by itself. So it's a switch, but you don't need to manually turn it on and off. Okay, and so these are a couple of things. I have made this Torx key here for opening the street lights. This an LED street light. It's 150 watts. Okay, so I have this my belt here. And these are my climbing set of climbing shoes. Okay, so I'm going ahead to prepare my light. Okay, so why do I have to extend the wire? Yes, it's obvious the wire is short. So this from the manufacturer. This very short cable from the manufacturer. So I'm extending it with this cable. It's a 1.5 millimeter coil flex, 2 coil flex. Okay, so. And also one thing is that as far as we are concerned, you don't have to climb on the pole before you go up there extending the cable or fixing your cable. You fix that whilst you are here before you climb up there. Okay, so when you're done with the extension, you tape it nicely to avoid short circuits. Okay.